Hi everyone, welcome to today's warm-up. Today's warm-up is called Music Says Part 3. We're up to 3 of these now. Now most of these skills are going to repeat, so they're ones that we've already done either in warm-ups or in other sections of class. But we haven't covered the skip yet, so I wanted to cover that one today. Now I know most of you know how to skip, because it is actually a first grade standard. But what we've noticed in class is many students, including some of our 5th and 6th graders, so if you're out there, older brothers and sisters, some of you are still making this mistake. Make this mistake I'm about to go over. They'll start from this position, which would be fine, except then they do this. Now hopefully you already picked up on the mistake I'm making there. I'm on the same side with my arm and my leg. This is incorrect because we're not balanced for our skipping. So we always want to start on opposite sides. One arm and the opposite leg are the ones that go. And then as you start your skip pattern, this is what it should look like. So we recommend the students, even you 5th and 6th graders, to start like this, because then you will automatically pick up on the movement pattern without even having to think about it. And eventually, it'll just be automatic. All right, so here we go with Music Says Part 3. We're gonna start with skipping. Here we go.
Skip, skip, skip to my loo, skip, skip, skip to my loo, skip, skip, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Flies in the back, don't shoot, flash you. Flies in the back, don't shoot, flash you. Flies in the back, don't shoot, flash you. Skip to my loo, my darling. Skip, skip, skip to my loo, skip, skip, skip to my loo, skip, skip, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue, little red wagon painted blue, little red wagon painted blue, skip to my loo, my darling. We try all your lives like this. We try all your lives like this. There's no smile on your smile. Whatever comes to me. We try all your lives like this. We try all your lives like this.
You want to twist it. You're warmed up already. Crazy Brown, here we go. Rock this. See how high you go. Great job. I'm definitely breathing hard. Are you? All right, let's get to the next section. Great job, everybody.